This is slightly inappropriate, but it's funny. He's so scary looking.
Does that sound scary?
Yeah, so scary. And it looks scary too.
Bite coming.
So this is what boys do, I guess, huh? I'm so used to having a girl at home. This kind of stuff doesn't go down. Burp it up, buddy. Cookie crumb face.
I'm doing something. I'm making me a spotty monster.
What are you doing, Josh?
What happened to your hair? It's all curly and poofy all
I know, I was trying to do something with it.
Go on, do a big one.
Oh my word. Did Uncle Dylan teach you that?
Teach him?
No.
Heck no.
No?
You learning me about it.
You're teaching Uncle Dylan how to burp?